Oh, wow, man. Does everybody have one?
Okay, everybody does.
No.
Wendy does.
Here.
Whoever's got the smallest one goes first. Right?
Jane can.
Whoever has the smallest one goes first. Is that one safe?
You can start.
What are you doing? You know what that is?
No, it smells
I'll go at
good.
once.
I don't know what it is, but it smells
I'll go at the same time.
No.
It takes too
Yeah,
long.
man. Tate's sitting here going.
Danny's going there.
Noodles.
Noodles.
Turn around, Danny. Look surprised.
Yeah, wait, the TV wants your
All the
face.
work of wrapping all these.
Yeah.
What's up, Danny?
Wait till you open that, you'll know what it is right away.
I hope I will. I hope it's something weird. I knew that I was getting this.
I know,
Oh,
but
that's
you
a
could.
surprise.
Oh,
Thank you.
isn't that nice?
That's
What,
nice.
How did I forget I was
Bertie.
getting that?
I don't know.
That's pretty.
All that work.
How did I forget I was getting
I
that?
don't know.
Oh, I don't know how
That's
to
pretty.
That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna
Boy, you
mention it.
snuggle up
This
in
is
that.
from Wendy.
And that's the right open up here.
Jay thinks he guessed your present to him.
Oh, that's nice, Danny.
Thank you.
Oh, no, mine knows what that is.
Huh?
I know you know what that is.
Who's that from? I think I
I'll tell you what, honey, it's either Hooked on Classics or
Well, I
Elvis.
think
You never told me what's on class.
No.
Didn't I? Either one.
Who's that from?
Either one.
Wendy.
Wendy.
Oh, Jamie.
I need these. That's what Jay said. So oh, isn't this cute? Look at.
Now, I'm throwing that Joliet East shirt
It
out.
was
Turn it,
there
Kath.
was one that said kissable on it.
Wait a minute.
I thought this is lovable on the shoulder. Thank you, Wendy.
That's cute.
I didn't know if you liked the other one, so I got you two of them.
Oh, how cute. Oh, that's nice.
You won't get tangled up if it's not real long.
Thanks for laughing over there. Okay, now my turn.
I'm gonna open mine real slow to get as much family fun as
You
possible.
got it? Wendy, what is this?
Oh, that don't bend it. Still like it. I hope they do.
I don't even know what it is.
Ooh.
Do I know what it is?
Oh, ankle weight. I didn't guess that.
Oh, come on.
No, I just
What
forgot.
did you think it was?
You know what I thought it was? It felt heavy. I thought it was one of those electric thrillers.
No, you told me a long time ago you
Yeah, I
wanted
did.
ankle
I
weights.
told a long time ago I wanted ankle weights, but I forgot about it. Well, thank you.
Those are the lightest
Thank you.
ones I'd be fine.
How much are
2.5.
they? Have each? That's perfect.
I don't think
Thank you, Eddie.
You can wear them on your arms too.
Don't put them on your neck.
Huh? No, I'm not going to put them on my neck.
it's your turn, Wendy. Oh, my turn.
She's got 2 of them.
I got
you.
such pretty wrapping paper. I hate them.
Wendy, open the top one because the bottom one.
You know what the bottom one? I'll tell you when you open it. Don't tell her.
While Wendy's opening that, does anybody recognize this wrapping paper? There's no tag on it.
Oh, yeah.
It's cuter.
Is it my pants?
Oh, that's Wendy's.
To Wendy?
Like it's
Oh.
To Wendy from you, Dad.
I'm gonna start taking baths from now.
I told Danny, I don't know if she takes a day out, but
God, I'm gonna have to start.
No, she doesn't take a bath or
I
shower.
did.
I can smell this.
I know. I picked it up, I still was.
Really? I thought you know. That's why I kept it in the closet, because I know you if you pick it up and you know for sure.
I don't know if I will be.
And this next present,
Yeah.
I got it for you, and then I saw that you already have one just like it.
I do.
Yeah, but I from this place the receipt, so rather than me trying to take it back without the receipt, then I thought it'd probably be easier for you to take it back after Christmas without the receipt, because so many people are taking things back.
Well, it's real similar. It's almost exactly what you got. That's cool.
At least we
I
know
handed
we.
it already. I had every receipt to that one. I just could not believe it.
It's real similar to something you've got. We didn't notice until one day you had it over here.
You don't know what it is
No,
yet?
I don't.
That's a purse. I'm just kidding.
Just kidding.
No, but still, I can always use them.
Well, you know, it's up to you. I felt bad. I wanted to get it
No.
something different, and I couldn't
No,
find it.
I can always use one. Thank you. Look, I don't have that.
Well, I got it.
You
at
like getting a
Claire's.
good stock.
Wendy, I got it at Claire's if you want to take it back. I know they'll take it back after Christmas. Everybody will bring things.
No, because I don't have
Eddie,
one like
for
this
Danny?
though.
Get a present
I have
for
the
your
one
dad
that's
now.
real long.
That's the one I saw.
Yeah, and it matches my coat, but this.
Go ahead, Ed. Eddie.
Thank you.
Yeah, we looked at it when they had it sitting on the floor, and we looked at it, oh my God, this is just like it.
Thank you. No, I just always use purses because I like to change. You know, I like to say thing all the time.
I know she's got a different one tonight.
Yeah, I change it when I wear my leather
Leather coat.
Bye.
Thank you.
When I'm not wearing my leather
Lady,
coat.
Wendy, I found somebody who likes your present.
What?
Somebody likes your present.
Get her off the
Nice.
Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty color? Look familiar, Jay? You got one almost just like that.
Yeah.
It's got a snag in the front, huh?
Thank you.
Huh?
This might even
That's
split.
one of those.
Danny says it's got a
Plastic
snag
bags.
on the front.
Oh, no.
That's nice.
Your other one
Thank
has an
you.
alligator on it.
I need stuff like this.
Yeah, no,
Next.
you're welcome.
Next.
Daddy, you want to
Go
give
and then
Daniel
Dad
one
go.
for both of us next, or
I'll
what?
get one out for Dad.
I won't take one.
And Jay said you
In
would.
the summertime, I take baths.
Something tells me this is Elvis.
Tell everybody get in and get out.
Oh, good, I'll come out. I like to do the summer, I always.
I rarely take baths.
Elvis
but
Presley.
I think I'm gonna start it to be relaxed.
Thank you, Wendy.
You're welcome.
I knew. It's the only one I wanted.
Is that the right kind?
Yeah.
My mom got an album and then you didn't have
Oh, it's got Kentucky Rain on it
Oh, good.
That's great.
I just picked it out and said, oh.
You gotta go let Eddie
Just
or
like
Heidi
this
out.
guy, You gotta find
Like
this.
you're gonna let Heidi up and look down.
too. Oh.
Oh.
I was gonna get me one the other day.
Hey, Eddie
Who's
and
it
I.
from?
It's from Danny and Eddie. But I didn't.
I was gonna get me one the other day.
Eddie and I decided to put the bow on it and put it behind his chair. Never like
For the next time you, for when you blow your first transmission, Ed, Dad'll be there.
He's been wanting one.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
I took him for a ride down the hall.
Jackie.
I took him for
Hey,
a
right
ride down the
down
hall.
there. Get
I took him for a ride down the hall already.
Check underneath your, where your legs go on your, there you go.
Come on.
Next, please.
That's cute.
That's cute, Ron.
Okay.
I will guess it's easy.
Aw, don't guess that.
Do you want to stop and then take the
We gonna
last
stop recording or?
Yeah.
Yeah, put on
Michael
pause.
Jackson?
Michael Jackson, I think.
Wanna record more?
He told me.
Put on pause, Jay.
Sounded like sick.
Maybe we could take the last round too.
Hmm?
Take the last round.
Got the nub like Daisy. The long ears like Duchess, the nub like
I love
Heather. Yeah. I never guessed that. Yeah, she had little.
All the time.
I've seen it
Yes.
Eddie's turn.
I'm dying to see what's in here.
Oh,
You got
you
me
like
nuts
it?
for a week.
You know
Why?
what it is?
before. I remember
Who's it from?
one thing you got her.
Wendy.
It's a beer stein.
Hey,
I can't tell you, you'll hear me.
Oh, you got a couple seconds,
This is the
maybe.
good kind of tape, Dan.
Really?
Like, just from work, I was gonna go like this around the whole thing, but yeah, it's got the string in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, they didn't want it to crawl out, I'll tell you that.
You better watch it, it jumps. Pet frog.
Jeez. Getting work out here.
It's mom's ceramic stuff.
Uh-oh.
I asked her to guess that.
I'm good. Thank you. Oh, I like this.
Oh, he
Thank
likes
you.
that. Like that. He's got a
That's
phone.
nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. Thank you, Wendy.
Was I wrong yet?
Yeah, I almost guessed the right plan.
I like this.
I think Jay has been asking around and just taking notes and remembering.
I don't know nothing. Sweater.
I asked you about it, I thought you
Just a
remember.
guess.
Who's that from?
You.
Is it for me?
No. Yeah.
It might be the one that I picked up on.
There's one in there from both my mom and me. There's two things in there. One's for my mom.
Well, the pants are from your mom.
He's wrong. But
Is this mine?
Yeah, I got you the sweater, Danny got you. What's underneath?
This is pretty.
me and Wendy
See
picked it
this?
out.
This is pretty.
Me and Wendy picked it out.
That is really nice. Ain't that nice?
Actually,
Sam?
it was me.
What size is it? I'll wear it.
Extra large.
That's an extra.
It is not.
Yes, it is. Yeah, I looked at that. You think it's really way too big?
It might, I don't know. It looks
She did.
small.
Yeah, I looked at it when I started wrapping. It's an extra large.
It's from, what store was it?
Riggins? J.R. Riggins.
Riggins.
She told us it was a large, so that's what we got.
This is pretty. This is beautiful.
I wonder what this is.
I got two separate receipts.
This is her wedding. This will go with my coat too.
Oh, yeah.
And my
We
other tie.
got 2 receipts, he's still got the receipt, so you can
Well,
take it.
I'll try it on.
back.
This is
It ain't
really
not
nice.
too bad underneath, over a shirt, but you can try it.
Thank you.
It's too big,
This is very
I
nice.
didn't know that was an extra.
Mark Hill.
Mark,
Mark picked out the shirt.
yeah,
Did it?
Mark said, what about that striping one, you know?
Ooh. That's a nice.
Blue's my favorite color too.
That is nice. That looks nice.
We blew it.
Yeah, it'll look nice with the sweater.
I'm gonna open the other one too.
Yeah,
It's my turn.
Let him
Jay, no, it's Jay's turn.
No, it ain't. It's
Oh,
open.
poor man.
Let
Look at
Dad.
the puss.
Jay, go.
I just opened them.
Oh, Danny.
Okay, let him open it.
Let Dad open it so we don't gotta switch
Okay,
cameras again. Let him open it so we don't have to switch camera again.
Look at Heidi, she likes your happy.
You like
Oh, y'all are still.
What tape is that over there?
Oh.
Is that ZZ Top?
Yeah.
Is it ZZ Top or Michael Jackson? It looks like ZZ Top. That's a good tape, boy.
I got that for him when I picked this out. Walkman. You jamming that tonight?
Them sound so good.
I know, they do.
I put one on. I couldn't believe it. I could not. I
Wow,
really
you
couldn't.
like this with your Frank Sinatra?
No, you really bet.
Oh,
I
thank
bet
you. Thank you, Dan.
You're
You wouldn't
welcome.
believe the beautiful music that thing's put out.
Yeah, sharp dressed man, we should give him.
Yeah, he's gonna be the sharp dressed man, Cat. That's what I needed. Tough shirt.
Chargers, man.
I bet it's a shirt.
Wendy, turn the TV on so we can see who's taking it.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
I like it. Everybody got a white collared shirt this
Yep.
year. You get one, Eddie? I got one at home from Kathy, just like that almost. Dad got one.
You like old
Hey,
Dad's
they're all
sweater?
from Santa.
All the rest is for my mom and Dad.
No, that's what it's from. The last one. I think that's.
Yeah. That's nice.
If we knew you were gonna be getting so many tickets, we would've got you a bond card.
Oh, new pants.
Thank you. For what?
Still good dress.
Thank
You have to
you.
get them short though.
You sure you can't wear these?
I'll do it. I did these in about 10 minutes.
I can't wear these doors.
If you wear these to work, then the dirt won't show.
Thank you.
You're we got
I like them.
I know they were too long. We can take them down there and we got a pair of black with diamond lights. Down there by the store, what's it called, next to Richmond Road at the mall.
Riggins.
Or is it Riggins?
Oh, I wonder what these are.
What?
Thank you, Danny.
Yeah,
What
You're
are they?
welcome.
The food.
Learners, I'll bet it's called.
What is it?
my five is
Where are you gonna put them?
In this
My
room.
You gotta be kidding me.
He wanted both of them.
Let's see the other one.
Where'd you get those
Yeah,
at?
I like that one the best.
Where in the world did you get them?
Crow's
Crow's
nest.
nest.
That's what he wanted.
It's gonna do wonders for the decor of the bedroom.
That brand new wallpaper, you ain't gonna see it. New drapes.
Yeah, new drapes.
Really? You could. Put a little full diamond.
I like that.
In 10 years, I'll be waxing the car with
Did you
them.
know you were getting those?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we made him wrap them. Santa again?
Yep.
Santa don't come that many times in my house.
You ain't a good
This is the
girl.
last of them.
I'm a good
Are you done, Eddie?
One more.
Heidi's spawned all the paper looking for Vicky's. Where's my gift, she's saying?
Hey, Heidi's gotta give them the tree.
Thank you for the overalls
got
too that I
one
opened
there?
last
Gotta be kidding.
week. Thank you for the overalls I
Oh,
opened
you're
last
welcome,
week. Flannel shirt. Thank you.
Come here, Heidi.
This is a thick one.
Yeah, that'll.
Come here.
Did you get this at Sears?
Come
I've
here.
seen these
Yeah,
at Sears.
yeah,
They're nice.
yeah. Tomorrow when you go out and you see what they bring Shelly and
She
Elizabeth,
open it?
we bring
Thank
mine
you.
to Shelly. And then
You're
give it to that right here. I'll put
She
with
won't
her.
open it herself.
Oh, yeah.
What a
She's
dog.
talented.
She's
Oh, another sweater. Thank you.
Boy, you really hit the
I
jack.
know.
Just like the one you got on.
No, it's a crew neck.
Heidi.
I was gonna say, if you don't like the crew neck, you should keep it.
That's all right.
Heidi.
Thank you.
Come here.
You're welcome.
I got all kinds of clothes.
Huh? That's dead.
Shampoo.
But if you don't like it.
Ooh, Heidi.
What Heidi
It's
get?
different 'cause this one's for me.
Oh, how nice.
Premium shampoo.
Thank you.
Ma, you left the price tag on Heidi's shampoo.
Oh, dear.
Oh no, don't look, Heidi.
Don't let her see it.
Oh my goodness, she already seen it. No, she's seen the back.
She's got all kinds of stuff on her ears.
I know.
Look at this mess.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank
for
you.
everything.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
I love my gift.
I gotta start packing them up. Take them upstairs.
That poinsettia is rather simple.
Yes, it needs a good watering.